Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable and disable secure boot on HP SPECTRE X360. First of all, we need to enter BIOS menu. To enter the BIOS menu, you have to shut down your laptop entirely, and after it is turned off, you have to short press the power button once, and during the launching process, repeatedly click Escape key until you see the startup menu on your screen. Then you're gonna have to tap F10. If you need visual representation, we have a BIOS dedicated video on our YouTube channel. Once you are in BIOS, you're gonna have to navigate to the boot options using the right arrow key of your keyboard, and once we are in the boot options, you're gonna have to scroll down to secure boot option using the down arrow key until you reach the secure boot value, and then press enter button to change the value here. If you want to disable secure boot, select disabled. If you want to enable it, select enabled. To apply changes, press F10 and press enter to exit. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.